Alright, in this scene, we're looking at teams and friendly fire. The idea is simple. One attacker can hit either an ally or an enemy. The team rule then decides what happens. Before we press play, let's quickly look at the scene setup. We have an attacker, an ally victim, and an enemy victim. The ally is on the same team as the attacker, and the enemy is on a different team. Both victims have a health system, a team provider, and a team rule. The team provider is the simple bit that tells the system which team an object belongs to. So in this scene, the attacker and ally share a team ID, while the enemy has a different one. The team rule is the damage rule that uses that information. It compares the attacker's team against the victim's team, then decides whether the hit is friendly fire, enemy damage, or something that should be blocked or scaled. The panel is wired to those objects, so we can compare ally and enemy damage side by side. Alright, let's run it. On the Setup tab, we can see the bindings. The panel shows the attacker, the attacker's team, the ally victim, and the enemy victim. It also shows whether each victim has a health system, a team provider, and a team rule. That matters because team rule only makes sense when both sides can resolve a meaningful team ID. If team information is missing, the rule may look like it isn't doing anything. Now let's move to the Rule tab. This is where we control the team rule behaviour. Allow friendly fire decides whether same team hits are allowed. If it's off, allied damage is blocked. If it's on, allied damage is allowed, but scaled by the friendly fire scale value. Enemy scale controls damage against other team targets, so we can make enemy hits normal, reduced, or amplified. For this demo, the same team rule settings are mirrored onto both victims. That keeps the comparison clean. Same input, same rule settings, different team relationship. Now let's go to preview and apply. Here we can set the raw incoming damage amount. Then we can attack the ally or attack the enemy. The preview rows show what the health system expects before the hit is applied, and the mini bars make the difference easier to see visually. With friendly fire turned off, the ally preview drops to 0. That means same team damage is being blocked by the rule. The enemy still takes damage because it is on a different team. Now if we turn friendly fire on, ally damage is allowed again, but it uses the friendly fire scale. So if we set that to half, a 20 damage hit becomes roughly 10 before the rest of the pipeline. And if we change the enemy scale, the enemy damage changes separately. That's the key idea here. Team rule is not just an on-off friendly fire switch. It can also scale same team and enemy team damage differently. So you can build things like no friendly fire, reduced friendly fire, bonus damage against enemies, or faction-based damage tuning. The important thing to remember is that this still goes through the real health system pipeline. Preview damage shows what would happen. Apply damage actually commits the hit. And if other damage rules are present, they can still affect the final result as well. So the takeaway from this scene is simple. Team rule uses team IDs to decide whether the target is an ally or an enemy. Then it either blocks, scales, or allows the damage. That keeps team logic out of your weapons, abilities, and gameplay callers, and lets the health system handle it consistently.